Let's walk back through the conference room and take a step into the kitchen. Now, as you are walking into the kitchen, you will notice to the right of you that we have an industrialized printer, fax machine, scanner, and copier all in one. This tool is really great when you have important documents to share in only a short amount of time. This is one of our favorite pieces of equipment because we are able to also share mail and emails with anyone, anywhere. And yes, you can do the same. Now, once your documents have served their purpose, you're able to shred them, ensuring that your information and privacy are properly protected. As a long-term tenant, I would like to remind you that you have free access to all amenities, utilities, and supplies. To the left of the printer, you will find a supply closet and cabinet full of all sorts of useful tools to get through your day at the office. So as you can see, the supply closet is equipped with tissue, cleaning supplies, water, extension cords, a broom, a mop, and other useful tools that you can utilize throughout the day. For those of you who are more interested in our paper and pen type of supplies, they are right beside the supply closet. We have Sharpies, calculators, whiteout, a scale, lots of colorful markers for those creative endeavors, a plethora of tape, and loads of pens so you can never stop creating. Now for my pop-up tenants, I like to mention that the kitchen is another area that you can work in. If you happen to be a late night worker, then this is a great area for you to work because these wide light panels light up the area quite nicely. Now for my long-term tenants who are also late night workers, and you may find yourself in the kitchen or in your suite feeling parched, you should come right over to the fridge. You'll find it to be always fully stocked with waters, sodas, juices, and even wine. All right, so let's move away from the fridge and take a good look at this island. Now, for pop-up tenants, I think this is a great spot to be productive and converse, but also be able to plug in using our hot countertop. As you can see, with just a press of a button, you are met with a wall outlet and a few places to plug in USB cords. Now, of course, you're going to get hungry throughout a busy day, which is why we have a microwave for those who like to meal prep, or if you're eating leftovers that day, that's great too. But if you're interested in only snacking and want something warm and buttery, we have a popcorn machine right below the microwave that you can use as a long-term tenant. As people of business, we know that you always have to have an early start to be successful. But sometimes we need a little bit of a kickstart, which is why as a long-term tenant, you have access to this coffee bar. Right in this corner, we have a series of creamers and flavors, 2 coffee makers, a coffee grinder, as well as supplies to put all that good stuff in. Cups, teacups, and coffee pods. Right next to our coffee